Konnichiwa Guyz. Hope you are doing very great. So, I made a quick video on my studio. Where I do my drawing. And a friend of mine from YouTube, Tiago, asked me how I recorded my videos for YouTube. So I thought I would make a short video on it. Maybe you can get something very useful. Maybe you can learn a lot from this video. And especially these videos for them who are new. Who are willing to open a drawing channel. Okay, so this is my table where I draw, and you can see that it is very small in size. It's not as big as you think, and these are mostly of my tools. And I use this broken flask to hold the marker. This really helps. And this is a cup of noodles, and I use this as a pencil holder. You can see how much intelligence I have. So my table is right in front of the window, and as a result I get enough natural daylight, and it really helps. So daylight is very useful for making video. So you can see all of my tools. Now this is my color pencil box. Usually I use two different brands of color pencils. This one is Yalong's, and one packet contains 24 pencil, and the price is only $2. It's very cheap. And the other brand is this is the Lira brand's color pencil. Mainly this belonged to my little sister, and this is also a 24 pencils packet, and the price is about $1.5 only. Okay. Now mainly it's a floor tiles. It's a floor tiles, and I set it up on this tool, and it's much smaller in size. You can see that this floor tiles is very much smaller than usual. Okay, now I'm going to show you my recording device. Yes, this is my recording device. I record videos with this mobile, and this is the thing. Yes, I record with this mobile, and I set it up with an old selfie stick, and the selfie stick I tied to the table with a rope. Yes, like this. I tied the selfie stick with the table, and I get enough daylight for this window, and it's very comfortable for me to work in enough daylight. It's very comfortable, and I use a particular light when I need artificial light, and I use this light when I need artificial light, and I tied this light with this stick with a bunch of rope, and it gives me enough light. It's very easy to set up, and you can see that I can get enough light, and I'm very happy with this light. So this is my mini studio. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how you like it. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe and support me. Thank you.